In front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening devices settings and scrolling down to access sounds and vibration. Now you can click on this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then you can tap on sound mode and tap on vibrate to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down. Then you need to select, so Thermos click, you need to select haptics and click on the switcher next to system haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!